Hello again. Now we are continuing our discussion about insurance law, part 4. Now this is the main part when we talk about insurance law aspect. We are now discussing about the legal engagements or the legal relationship in insurance law business. So as usual, since a few weeks ago when I told you to understand the concept of contract, that is very important because in many classification of business activities we need to understand about contract, and also in insurance law business all the basic of the legal relationship in insurance law is based on insurance agreement that we call it as policy, or in Indonesia we call it polis asuransi. So polis asuransi is an engagement between the policyholder and the insurance company, which is govern the right and obligations for both parties. So based on the policy agreement, you can know what is your right as the policyholder and what is your obligation. So what is your right? Your right in this kind of engagements is regarding what classification of evenement. Evenement is the unexpected event that happened that will be covered by the insurance company. Until what coverage it will be the responsibility of the insurance company. So it is your right, and your obligation is talking about how much premium you have to pay. So this is the premium, your obligation. In Indonesia we call it premi asuransi. So when there is a dispute, there is a different understanding between you as the policyholder and the insurance company. All you need to check is the policy. So the policy, the good policy, will limit the difference understanding between the both parties, which is also in legal perspective will minimize the potential of dispute in insurance law. So for you as the policyholder, or if you are the insurance company, make sure that the policy or the policy assurance will cover all the rights and obligations for both parties in detail. Especially if you are the policyholder, before you sign the policy, make sure that you already read all the content. And if you don't understand any of them, ask and clarify to the insurance company. So there's also situations that the engagement in insurance is involving three parties. Besides policyholder and insurance company, sometimes it's also include the insured. So who is the insured? Sometimes the insured is also the policyholder. For example, if I insure myself from the possibility or the risks of health or the risks of the mortality, so when I transfer it for myself, I am the policyholder because I hold the policy, and I am simultaneously the insured because I am the one who will be covered if the evenement or the unexpected event happen is occurs. So I am the policyholder and I am the insured. But sometimes policyholder and the insured are different people. In what situation it could be happen? It could be happen in situation when you working for someone else's or for a certain company. So this company covering you with insurance. So they pay insurance for you. So you are the insured, but the one who pay it, the policyholder. Here you are employee, and your policyholder is your employer. Let's say that you're working to a certain limited liability company, a PT. So your company give a facility in the form of insurance. So they pay the premium for you to the insurance company. But if the event is happen, so you are the one who will be covered by the insurance company. If you get sick, so the insurance company will cover the expense you have to pay because of the sickness. but you are not the one who paid the premium. The one who paid the premium is the policyholder. So it's involved three parties. So as the insured, you also need to know your right and obligations, so the insurance company cannot just reject the coverage when you claim the company evenement. So this is the main idea when we talk about law or legal aspect of insurance. This is the main relationship that all the business practitioners, all the legal practitioners who learn about insurance law need to know. And more than that, it needs a skill to understand about the policy and a technique to make a good policy. So since this is insurance law topic is given for the business law students, so I think this is the main part that you need to know. That the main sources of the engagement in insurance law is the policy. So understand your policy, so no insurance company will play a trick on you, or they will reject your claim without good reasons, because you know where to clarify your right and obligation. It's in policy. Thank you.